doctor in nursing department from RPIIT. Today we will discuss about folkways, mores and law. Um, what is folkways? Folkways are informal norms. Usually they are not strictly enforced as long as the behavior is more or less in keeping with what is expected. Folkways. The informal nature of folkways means that there might be a lot of room for different behaviors in most situations without getting into too much trouble. For example, it is unlikely that anyone cares that the woman in the picture on the previous slide has her hand on the table instead of her in her lap. However, the situation in the picture on this slide might be seen differently. Folkways and customs. An obvious type of folkway is found in the way we observe cultural holidays. This can be strong folkways, even though they don't quite rise to the strength of most people, can be very upset when others don't participate in some of the important cultural events or express sentiments that are expected of them. Mores are strong norms. ठीक है? The stronger the norms is, the less tolerance society has for violation of the mores. All mores are fairly strong punishment if violated. As a result, people try to follow as many mores as they can. Sometimes the punishment sanction come directly from other people, and sometimes they take the form of consequences to actions or situations. Being employed is a strong more. Some mores also have to do with cultural custom. Some cultures and subcultures have strong feelings about the importance of marriage. All cultures prohibit incest. The strongest mores are those which enforce either individual or public good order and trust. Violent acts are discouraged by mores that are often written into law. Law, a special case. Law are a special form of a norm. Generally, laws are based on mores simply because mores are strong norms with stronger punishments. Sometimes laws are based on folkways, they simply enforce local custom. Law. Laws are always formal norms. They can be either folkway or mores, but most typically they are mores. The importance of the norm is to the society is reflected in the punishment that is assigned to it. In the case of laws, some laws have much lighter punishments than others. This reflects the relative importance of the underlying norm. Thank you.